Welcome to English with Ratna. Today's video is based on simple future tense. So let's begin. Let me know in the comments below how many marks did you score. I dash clean the house tomorrow. I will clean the house tomorrow. It dash very cold next month. It won't be very cold next month. You dropped your pencil. I will dash it. You dropped your pencil. I will get it. She dash there soon. She will be there soon. He won't dash the basketball match. He won't watch the basketball match. They dash to college late tomorrow. They will come to college late tomorrow. They will dash a house next year. They will buy a house next year. I hope he dash the class in the evening. I hope he will join the class in the evening. Dash you wait for me after lunch? Will you wait for me after lunch? He dashed to Japan next month. He will go to Japan next month. I dash my grandmother on her birthday. I will visit my grandmother on her birthday. Don't worry, I will dash to you as soon as possible. Don't worry, I will come to you as soon as possible. I dash my project by end of this week. I will finish my project by end of this week. Rose dash her new job in July. Rose will start her new job in July. We dash a meeting at 2 p.m. tomorrow. We will have a meeting at 2 p.m. tomorrow. They dash the exam. They won't pass the exam. She dash married next summer. She will get married next summer. I dash a vacation in July. I will take a vacation in July. They dash their new product next year. They will launch their product next year. I dash able to attend the party. I will not be able to attend the party. We dash to beach tomorrow. We will go to beach tomorrow. They dash for president in the next election. They will run for the president in the next election. We dash enough money to buy a new car. We won't have enough money to buy a new car. Nick dash from college next year. Nick will graduate from college next year. They dash to the party tonight. They won't come to the party tonight. We dash to a new apartment next month. We will move to a new apartment next month. He dash his own business soon. He will start his own business soon. We dash to Paris next winter. We will travel to Paris next winter. How many marks did you score out of 28? Let me know in the comments below. Did you like the video? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to English with Ratna. Thank you so much for watching.